No, 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 you are not wrong. You are seeing correctly. Black and white. Let's do it on the darker side of my bookmark. Surprisingly, or probably not surprisingly, when you start making a journal, difficult things happen. Like, how can you think that yesterday I was just looking at a magazine and suddenly I saw this black and white bike? It's because I need it for today's prompt. Let's see what we have for today. The prompt list for today is bookmark in black and white. So this is Dephemberember 2024 and let's do this. I choose this amazing picture that is black and white, but for me it's really meaningful. It's vintage, it's old, and I love to see that apron because that used to be like my uniform for my first elementary years. It was red and white, and I still remember seeing it in one of my mother's closet in the house. I still remember that amazing apron. But we're not doing red and white today, we're doing black and white. For that reason, I choose this beautiful image is from a brand, of course, and it has like the shadow of the bike on the bottom part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just the reflex of the bike as the back part of the bookmark. I already cut this piece of cardstock that is from a packaging, and it is the same width as the part from the picture from a magazine that I'm going to be using for my bookmark. So I'm going to add the glue on both sides in the way that making a bookmark is going to be super fast and mega easy. This is more than easy. So I'm just going to glue the back and then I'm going to glue the front part. And I hope you can get the idea of looking into your magazines because they are a very rich source of materials for our journals. So go into your magazine piles and look for amazing things. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something that you're gonna like and you're gonna be able to use. So in order to have the complete idea, I'm gonna cut so we can get rid of this color and just leave the black and white. So I think that the reflex is amazing, you see. So in a blink of an eye, I just make my black and white bookmark. But I don't want to end these pages just like this. I want to give her a touch of color. I don't want to leave her only in black and white. So I found this beautiful quote that says, "Sometimes memories sneak out of my eyes and roll down my cheeks." So I'm going to have this right on top of that kind of wooden box, and I'm going to place some more black and white on the back of this quote. So let me glue it so we can have an idea of what is going or how it's going to look like. Let me make sure that I have this, yes, in the right position. This is a little piece of the lace I use for my cover. And by the way, go and check this episode because I show you step by step how can you use this special cloth or fabric to embellish your journal, making labels or tags for them. Let me fret this a little bit more. I want it to be like a lot of, that crazy style unfinished, and yes, but not too much, right? Okay, so anyways, you know what, these quotes come with glue, so there is not gonna be any problem keeping the fabric on place because I have the chance of peeling this off and use it as a fixer for the fabric I'm placing in here and the little piece of lace. So you see, this is great, so it can help me keep everything on the page in a blink of an eye. I love this. And also, I don't want to leave her like so sad and only black and white or gray and white and vintage. So what about if we give her a touch of color with some wings? I cut these wings and I need to give them a little bit of black on the borders because I don't want to see that white coming out. And we're gonna use them to give this beautiful girl wings. Of course, I love all of us to have wings. I love to have mine too. So you know that we can always fly with our imagination and with our creativity. Yay! Alright, so this is it. And you know what? Go check other videos here in my YouTube channel because I'm doing Dephemberember 2024 following the prompts, but I am also doing extra episodes in the meantime or in between the days we don't have Dephemberember. So go check because I'm pretty sure you're gonna find a lot of ideas and wonderful things that you can do. I'm going to shape the wing in the way that I can know where to cut. So I'm gonna give the wing the shape of the shoulder and of the arm. It's too bad I'm losing a little bit of the wing, but it's the only way it can look realistic. Okay, that is one. I'm gonna glue it right away and I'm gonna place it there. Black and white came out really fast and wonderful. Look at that turtleneck. I love it. I really love it. Okay. So let's see what other black things I have around or white things so we can do something else. Oh my goodness, I love it. I really like it. And what I have here that is white and I can do something with the bookmark is this piece of fabric. We can always cut tiny piece, and I don't want it to be too plain. So what about if we just do a border with a little bit of frayed fabric and to give it a little bit of grungy or grunchiness. So let's see. The thing is that I don't want to get rid of any parts of the bike because it's so amazing. That is the perfect reflex. Oh, you know what? I don't think I can detach this. Oh, no, too late. Oh my goodness, no, it is too late. So the best idea was to place this inside like a sandwich. Let me see if I can still open this, even at 5 millimeters. Yes, I got it. Oh, now comes the best part. All right, so I'm gonna go here and here. This is going to go inside this part. Just place that there. This is a bookmark with a fabric side. Something different. something really cute. And you know what? I need glue on top also. Glue back and top. Guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this idea? In love. This is my bookmark, black and white. Let me just get rid of that tiny piece over there. And let's see, this is going to be in here. Bookmark, beautiful lady, sweetheart, innocence, uniforms, amazing times, quiet times, and this is our bookmark, black and white. And you know what? I'm gonna tell you something. Here in the upper part of the advertisement, from which I cut the bike, and the bike reflects, it says for the adventurous spirit. So you know what? I need to have that on my bookmark. For an adventurous spirit. Do you have an adventurous spirit? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm always happy to read everything you write to me in the comments down below. Now the thing is, where can we have this? This part is darker, so it's more contrasting than this part. So let's do it on the darker side of my bookmark. So this is what I have. I hope that you like this episode. You follow me here in my channel, subscribe, and of course leave me a thumbs up. Share this video, and I see you soon. Subscribe here in my picture at the end of the video, or you can always subscribe here clicking in this red arrow. Down below I'm gonna leave a playlist for Dephemberember 2024. We are all the way up to here, and I'm gonna mark it right now. So this is how far we've been going with Dephemberember. So I'm sending you all my love, and I see you in my next episode. Bye friends, bye bye, and I hope you like my bookmark. What is it? It's right here. Bye friends, have fun creating, and take a bike for the adventure spirit. And sometimes memories sneak out of my eyes and roll down my cheeks. That can happen to all of us, right? Let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? Bye friends, I see you very, very soon in my next creative episode. Bye. Bye-bye. Take care.